I've been working so hard this day and now I should throw this garbage too. Hi!
Where do you want to go?
I was just about to throw this garbage out. How about you, Rico? What are you doing here?
Nothing. I was just visiting my friend Elia and the vet. Hey Bob, do you know that actually you can save the nature for the future by just a small step like recycling all of this garbage into something that more useful one?
Wow, I'm sorry my friend, I really don't know about that. I do this habitual every single day and I never cared about the nature before.
It's okay Bob. Here, I will show you a video about how to save the nature for the future, obviously by the recycle of all of this garbage.
Wow, thanks.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everybody, welcome to my video. My name is Umi Kuinandawati Purono. I will give you tutorial how to make a bag made of some trash. Ta-da! Some trash can be amazing stuff. Do you know about it? Ta-da! I will give you how to make a bag made of some trash. Do you know about ingredients? Okay, check it out. Okay, now we are prepare ingredients like first some coffee packaging or coffee plastic trash. Shears as tool cut. Third, thread and sewing needle. Then I will give you a tutorial on how to make it. First, cut some coffee packaging like this. Don't forget, a coffee packaging is an important ingredient to make a bag. A second, you can be folding a coffee packaging like this. until the form of small. Until the form of small, ya. Voila! Just combine a coffee packaging with others like this. Next, repeat as step like earlier, the weaving until the back. Finally, the bag is finished, and I have made the rope. Then combine the two and sew both of them. Finally, you can see this is a bag made of coffee packaging. It is so beneficial for us because one step like this to keep nature is to not break nature. Have you tried? Have you watched the video? Everything trash can be useful items. So just let's save our earth from now on. Okay? Go green. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Oh, Bob, do you just guys understand how easy safety nature for the future is?
Yeah, obviously. Thank you so much, Eko. I promise to you I won't do the bad habits again.
My pleasure, but I'm glad to hear that you have been promised to yourself that you never want to do that again. And now by resetting this garbage, you're able to reduce the plastic garbage population in the earth. Save the nature for the future.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, let me introduce myself. I'm Uswatun. I'm one of the participants who do KKN in Medamasem. Okay, here I would like to tell you what kind of text that used in this video.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everybody, welcome to my video.
Okay, as we can see, the video is about the tutorial how to how to make a bag from a trash, or how to make a bag from coffee wrap. So the text that used in this video is procedure text. If you guys wondering what is procedure text, according to kampungenglish.id, procedure text is a text that used to describe how to do or how to make something, and as an instructions how to go to some place. So, and then when we can use this text, you can use this text when you gonna make a recipe, when you write a procedure to do an investigations, when you brief someone, when you make some rules, and when you make a tutorial how to do or to make something, just like the video before. And if you wanna make a procedure text, there are some rules that you have to obey. The first one is you have to use imperative sentence. What is imperative sentence? Imperative sentence is a sentence in English used to give suggestions, comments, instructions, etc. And when you want to write an imperative sentence, you can end it with period, or commonly people use exclamation point. And the second one is about the tenses that use. The tenses that use in this text is simple present tense. Since simple present tense is tenses that used to reveal a fact, so you have to use verb one in this text. And the third one is action verb. What is action verb? Action verb is a verb that tells that there will be a physical activity, such like this.
First, cut some coffee packaging like this.
And the fourth one is connect or sequence. Connect means some words which connect one step to another. For example, like first, second, and then, such like this. And the last one is adverb. Adverb means to describe times. Okay, in addition, I also gonna tell you about the generic structure of procedure text. The generic structure of procedure text is first, the goal or the aim of the procedure. For example, how to make a bag from a coffee wrap. So the aim of the procedure is to make a bag from a coffee wrap. And the second one is the materials or the tools that you need to do procedure to do the activity. And the third one is the steps. And the last one is the conclusions. In the conclusion, you have to show the result or the product after you following all the steps. Okay, thank you. Maybe that's all from me. I hope this video is useful for you. I hope you can write or practice to make a procedure text very well. And the last I say thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. See you next video.